Hi, today I'm going to talk about providing interior decoration recommendations and what are the human factors associated with it. Basically, the problem statement is of a family who buys a new house, and then immediately after buying new house, they're usually overwhelmed with settling down, and they do not have enough bandwidth to plan interiors, etc. And they are kind of constrained with many things. They could be budget constrained. They might have their own choices, and they don't have enough time to spend, like to figure out things about their own likes, culture, family size, budgets, priority order, etc. So what we are proposing is build a platform where they can get suggestions on how they can decorate their house, given the above factors, above constraints, and provide them suggestions on, where, like whether it's an upscale store or a thrift store, and they can buy the stuff, and also give them recommendation of any upcoming sales coming on those stores, basically. So we are essentially planning to build a platform which provide recommendations to how to decor different areas of the house based on user preferences, provide recommendations on where or when to buy the stuff for the house, and also provide traditional approaches like interior decorator consultation. Okay? But when we are looking at this platform as a whole, we need to be make sure of our privacy information. If the customer is sharing any photo or video of their houses and just trying to see how the furniture recommendations will look like on their room, it's a very private information. And then the any residential information shared by the customer should be stored in some kind of encoded form. It should not be hacked. Nobody should be able to take out any residential details out of those photos. So hence we need to make sure that there is no breach of security privacy. Okay. And uncertainty is that, sometimes people want to decorate their house based on certain culture preferences, but if the tool doesn't work uh, as expected, if there are some uncertainty or biases coming, the recommendations might overlap between different cultures, which could be offensive to some people. Or the fact that, our sites recommends that, there could be some upcoming sale from a brand, but the underlying company itself, cancels those sales. So we need to kind of, inform the users about kind of uncertainties which might also be there. Biases, again, from the data source perspective, we need to make sure that we get the right price, interior, or service data from various sources like upscale and, low cost stores website, because we are trying to cater to different kind of consumers. We need to make sure we are able to collect the data for diverse population like ethnicity, family size, age groups for that localized region. In terms of features, ensure that certain ethnicity is not tagged for low budget items. Testing model, run the test with a combination of different ethnicity, income group, income per room, spending per room, age, occupation, and see if the results are matching to the realistic world. And feedback loop could be that, people or certain ethnicity may have evolved taste based on events, occupation, region, etc. So need to make sure that the model is trained based on latest purchases on daily basis. Thank you.